Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's cook juicy chicken breast, cook in air fryer. I have here 3 chicken breast. Make sure it's clean and dry. Drizzled with olive oil. Minced garlic. Powder seasoning. Seasoned with salt and pepper. Add fresh rosemary. Massage the chicken with all the ingredients. Leave it for 15 minutes. Into an air fryer, cook for 15 minutes. After the halfway cooking, turn your chicken. Seasoned with olive oil, powder seasoning, pepper. Toss to combine all the seasoning. Add your favorite vegetables to your chicken breast. A dash of cayenne pepper. Add the remaining rosemary. Then bring back to air fryer to cook. It's done, but I want a little bit more cook the chicken. I add another 2 minutes more time. Ready to serve. Serve the air fryer chicken with mixed veggies and mashed potatoes for side dish. Enjoy! Thank you for tuning in. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.